I'm sure you just splice that on. I'm sure.
Right, boys, ask for taking this, lad. Yeah. What I asked you at the start, try and play football, take the pressure off the defence, keep hold of it. We're doing it well. The right idea is, we just need to execute it a bit more now. Take a bit more time to find the right 5 feet, and then keep talking to each other. And the free, let them know you're free. Let's just keep working, boys.
That's it, yeah, we've got the lead this time, boys. We can make them come to us now, yeah?
Yeah, let's just keep hold of that ball. We've got a lead now, we can do it. We can keep hold of the ball. Yeah, Lou's right. Let's keep playing the ball. Boys, most important thing is loads of talking to each other. If someone's got it and you're in space, let him know you're in space. Let's all want the ball. Yeah?
We've got these lads, they're
doing really well.
All the way through that fucking house.
This is the way we want to play football. We just need now to try and make the ball stick a bit more.
And if we get corners or free kicks, let's back and we get it right.
That's right, yeah.
That ball's easy, mate.
Yeah.
It's so much fun.
Yeah. We've got to attack the ball, boys, when it's coming in. Let's anticipate a little more. Just be a bit more sharp this half. Let's want it a bit more. We've got a lead now. We can go out and beat these. And we're back on 9 points then, aren't we? Back in the top of the league. Let's go and do it, boys, everyone.
Keep going. Is it going in?
I thought he was going right.
It's going in. It'll probably at the post come out.
Well done, mate. Good head, lad.
I captured your goal anyway in your celebration. What's up with your ankle?
It's not my ankle, it's back in my leg.
Of course it is.
It was pulling a bit, and then as I stretched for the ball, it went, like, panged. That's absolutely killing me. Just the slightest movement of my leg's killing me.
Do you think this has set you back, or is this just a case of resting it? And
I'm hoping it's not too long, because I'm supposed to be out for 3 weeks. All in all, I stopped about an hour's football for me.
Right.
2 assists and a goal.
Go and get it.
It is killing me.